What's up guys, how you guys doing today? Well, today I'm not doing anything. To be honest, I don't know what I'm doing today. I might go for a car ride or something just to get some footage, but today I'm just staying home. I'm not really doing anything today, but I'm just checking on the plants right now. So let's get the day started. What, kid? What do you want? You want to go out? You want to go outside? Huh, kid? You want to go out? You a good kid, huh? Alright, you want to go out? I always got a teaser. Watch this. You want to go out, kid? You want to go out? Alright, go. See ya. Don't get in any trouble. Alright? Hey. Alright, so right now I'm heading to the farm again. I got some Cheerios and like apples and stuff in my book bag that I'm gonna feed to them, so it'll be interesting. So let's go. Okay, I made it. It's only about a 10-minute bike ride from my house. It's not that far, it's pretty nice though. Ah, there's my old friends. Bah! Hey guys! I got some food for you, huh? Here. Oh boy. Got some Cheerios for him. Here you go, bud. Want some? Little chicken? There you go, little chicken. Oh, you want some more, bud? Huh? Oh, you don't want to be pet, you just want food, don't you? There you go. For the donkeys. Come on, donkey. Whoa, alright, bud, here, you can have that. Here, this is for the chicken. That little go. Ain't nothing, bud. Oh, this guy's on the other side of the fence. Now they're all coming over. Look at them all. Whoa! You walking with me, huh? This is the closest I've ever seen that alpaca. The Sia alpaca. This donkey on the left here was a little scared of me, but I think I gained his trust now. Both of their trusts. This guy loves me. You a good boy, huh? Good donkey? Yeah, you're a good donkey too, aren't you? Oh yeah. You a good boy? You a good boy, huh? Come here, boy. You a good boy, huh? There you go, there's the grass. Why don't you want it? There you go. Yeah, this guy's a little shy. The other one isn't. Oh, just butted right in here. Huh, donkey? You're a good donkey, huh? Yeah. Good donkey. Watch and he'll follow me. Oh, the other one won't, but this one might. If he hears me start picking grass. Oh yeah. Comes right over. Hey, donkey. Hey, donkey. There you go. Good boy. Good boy, donkey. Or a good girl, I don't know. I think they're both boys, though. That's what I'm saying, good boy. Good boy, come here. Oh. I think he's trying to tell me to pick grass, because once I start picking, he'll stop. I think. When I put it in, he will. Yeah. Here you go. Want some grass, bud? There you go, boy. Good boy. Oh, here comes this one, too. There you go. There's plenty of grass here for you guys. I ran out of Cheerios so fast. They love them. They love Cheerios and apples. What? You don't want it? Here. You'll eat it. Good boy. Whoa, this guy came around the fence. Here. He wanted attention. This is the main goat. I think this is the main man right here. Whenever there's food, he always butts everyone else out of the way. Little savage. Bye, brown goat. Bye, donkey. Bye, white goat. Bye, other donkey. Bye-bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite part of the vlog was. Tomorrow's a new day, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.